butterfly, angel, 3 more, angel, 2 more, and last one, and butterfly, take out right, and then left, right, up, butterfly, angel for 4, and 3, and 2, and 1 last set, right, take out, come back in, left, take out, come back in, right up and down, left up and down, and 4, butterfly, angel, and 2, and 3, and 4, and come down, butterfly, turn around to the right while you're traversing to the right, so move to your left in your space, and we're gonna turn to the right as we do the butterfly turn around, so right comes out, step left, underhand butterfly, not seeing me, away from me, right comes out again, turn, move to the right, and now we'll take out right, take out left, go into the overhand opposite hip reel, come to butterfly, overhand opposite pinwheel, come to butterfly, overhand opposite hip reel, come to butterfly, overhand opposite pinwheel, come to butterfly. Now we're going to turn to the left, left take out, we're moving to the left also. So left out, step right, turn to underhand on the back wall, left out, turn left, right steps in, and overhand opposite hip rail, come to butterfly, up to pinwheel, back down to butterfly, underhand, overhand opposite hip rail, back to butterfly, overhand opposite pinwheel, back to butterfly, and we'll do that right turn again, moving to the right, and right out, step left, underhand butterfly, turn to overhand and overhand opposite hip rail, and come to butterfly, overhand opposite pinwheel, come back down to butterfly, left turn, so left take out, step right, underhand butterfly on the back wall, left turn to overhand butterfly, hip rail, to butterfly, to pinwheel, back to butterfly, to hip reel, back to butterfly, back to pinwheel. Now move to the center of your stage, you're in your pinwheel, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, last one right, last one left, come back down to butterfly, and take out left, facing the side wall now, we'll do a 4-petal in-spin flower. So the left is gonna go front, right will go back, and we'll go sides, top, sides, down. Second time, sides, top, sides, down. Third time, sides, top, sides, down. Last time, sides, top, sides, down. Now turn 360 in the butterfly, turn around to the right. So we'll come to the front, then to the right side, then to the back, then to this side. Now 2 more times, so that you end up facing the right. Then we'll do the 4-petal flower from this side, and side opposite left. So the left will go back, right will go front first. 5, 6, 7, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom. Third set, sides, top, sides, bottom. Last one, sides, top, sides, bottom. Now left turn 360, and then we'll go 2 more positions, so you end up facing the left side, and then we'll repeat 5, 6, 7, left goes front, right goes back, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom. Last one, sides, top, sides, bottom. Right turn 360, and then we'll go the extra 2 positions, so you end up facing the right side, and 5, 6, 7, and left goes back, right front, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom. Last one, sides, top, sides, bottom, and turn left to overhand butterfly, right stall to the side, left poi comes over the top, come into overhand weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, back to overhand weave normally, and then I want you to try and do a right poi under the left leg in the weave like this, and then we'll do the left poi under the right leg like this, and then the right poi under the left leg like this, and then the left poi under the right leg like this, back to overhand weave, open it up, turn left into chase the sun, 4 and 3 and 2, and now on the next one, you're gonna lift your left leg and come under your left leg with the poi back into chase the sun. 4 and 3 and 2, and on this next one, lift the left leg and go under again. Third set, 4 and 3 and 2, and come under the left leg with the left poi. And then last set, 4 and 3 and 2, and left under left leg. And then we're gonna come down on the right and overhand, stall right, stall left, stall right, stall left, stall right, stall left. If you did it like me, you'll be an underhand. We're gonna turn left to counterclockwise, chasing the sun. Here we go. So 4 and 3 and 2, and get ready to go under the right leg with the right poi. Here we go, and first set, and then 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 under the right leg, and 4 and 3 and 2 and under the leg. Here we go, and last set, 4 and 3 and 2, and last time under the leg, and come down and overhand weave on the left side.